Good morning, children. So today we are here with the topic Roman numerals. Okay, Roman numerals. And first, before learning this, we have to know about what is Roman numerals. Okay, ancient Romans had their own numeration system using letters. Okay, ancient Roman had their own numeration system using letters. So what are the letters? Letters of alphabets. Okay, they are I, V, X, L. Okay, in class 3 we will learn only up to 50. In class 4 and in above classes you will learn more about Roman numerals. But in class 3 I am going to teach you only this 4, that is up to 50. So there are many rules, okay, for this Roman numerals. And now children, don't look at this. Okay, now don't look at this. Just see these numbers. Look at these numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are Arabic numbers. These are Arabic, Hindu Arabic numbers. Now, these numbers are called Arabic numbers. These numbers are used in common all over the world. Now, in today's generation, we use these numbers all over the world. Alright? This is not 1, this is I. Okay? English alphabet I. English alphabet I. English alphabet V. English alphabet X and English alphabet L. I represents 1. I represents 1. See children, please learn by heart. I, V, X and L. I, V, X and L. If you learn by heart these 4 letters, you will never forget how to write Roman numerals. Alright? I represents 1. V represents 5. V represents 5. X represents 10. X means 10. And L means 50. L means 50. Now children, most of the clocks and watches, okay, that you have, not the digital one, the analog one. See, you can see the Roman numerals on the clock, isn't it? On the watch, on the clock. So these are called Roman numerals. And in our school also, from classes 1 to 12, we use Roman numerals, okay, to represent our class, isn't it? At the door of the class, we have written class 1, class 2, class 3, isn't it? So likewise class 10, class 11, class 12, isn't it? Now children, look at this. This I is 1. 1 we write as I. 5 we write V. 10 we write X and 50 we write L. Okay children? Now see here. I have written, look at the board. I have written the Roman numerals here. Isn't it? 1 I. 2 I's. 3 I's. But we cannot write 4. For 4 we cannot write 4 I's. Alright? For 4 we cannot write 4 I's. There is a rule that we cannot write the letters more than 3 times. So how do we write 4? How do we write 4? Look at this 5. 5 minus 1 makes 4. 5 minus 1 makes 4. So, to make this Roman numerals, what do is, we write 5 here, alright? 5 minus 1. that is I. This is 4. Alright, if you have to subtract, you put the letter in front. If you have to add, you put the letter at the just on the right hand side of the letter V. This is how we write 4. Did you understand? Again, I repeat, we cannot write these letters more than 3 times. Alright, we cannot write 1, 2, 3, 4 to make the number 4. This is wrong. Alright, so what we have to do is, we just have to subtract 1 from 5. 5 minus 1 makes 4. So, when you make Roman numerals, you have to write 5 first. Alright, V letter represent 5 and I letter represent 1. So, 5 minus 1 makes 4. Alright, now children, again see here. 4 we have finished, 5 we write V. And 6, look at number 6. So again we have to take the number 5. 5 plus 1 makes 5 plus 1 makes 6, isn't it? 5 plus 1 makes 6. So here we use the letter V plus I, that is 1. So this makes 6. Alright? In this way, if we add 1 more I, it will be 7. If we add 1 more I, it will be 8. But can we add more than 3I? No, we cannot add more than 3I. Therefore, how do we write 10? How do we write 10? See, again, 10 minus 1 makes 9. 10 minus 1 makes 9. Again, we have to apply the same rule. Okay? 10 minus 1 makes 9. So, how do we write 10 here? 10 minus 1. 1 is I. So, this is how do we write 9. Alright? Now, see. This is 9. 10 minus 1. We make 9. And x is 10, isn't it? X is 10. So likewise we have to add 10 plus 1, 11. 10 plus 2, 12. 10 plus 3, 13. 10 plus 4. Again you have to go back to the same numbers. If you are perfect up to 10, you will not have any problem. See, 10 plus 4, 14. 10 plus 5, 15. 10 plus 6, 16, 10 plus 7, 17, 10 plus 8, 18. Again, when we make 19, 10 plus 9, we have already made number 9, isn't it? 10 plus 9, 19. And 20, how do we write 20? 10 plus 10 makes 20. 10 plus 10, how do we write 10? X plus x, isn't it? So, this is how do we write the number 20. 10 plus 10 makes 20. Alright? Now see here. Likewise, now you are already perfect. Know how to write number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Isn't it? Now after you have finished writing 20, see. X and X, 2 tens are here. Isn't it? 20. So in that way, here. 20 and 1, 21. 2x and 2i, 22. 23i, 23. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Again, see here children. Again, when we make 30, we have to use 3x. Okay, 3x makes 30. 1, 2, 3. 3x makes 30. Now again 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. And how do we write 37? Now let us do on the board. See here children. When we make 37 here, x, x, x. 20, 30 and V and 2I makes 37. Now 38, let us do together. X, 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 V and 3 I's. This is 38. Alright. Now how do we make 39? Again. X, X, X and see how we have made 9. Look at the number. I and one more X. This is 39. Alright. Now how do we make 40 here? Again, look at the both children. How do we make 40? Now, L represents the number 50, isn't it? So, 50 minus 10 makes 40. Again, I repeat, 50 minus 10 makes 40. So, 50 we write L minus 10 is X makes X. 50 minus, if it is minus, you have to add on the left hand side. This is, 50 XL, 50 minus 10. This is 40. Okay? L represents 50, X represents 10. So 50 minus 10 makes 40. So how do we write 40? XL. XL is 40. XL. Isn't it? Now 41. How do we write 41? You know how to write 1, isn't it? 40 you already know. X and L. X is 10, isn't it? L is 50. So 50 minus 10. See, 50 minus 10. 50. Look here again I repeat. 50 minus 10. Look at the left hand side. 50 minus 10 is 40. XL. So we have already learnt XL, that is 40. So how do we make 41? XLI. This is 41. Very easy. XL 2 I's, 42. XL 3I. XL 4. We cannot add more than 3 times, isn't it? We cannot write the number more than 3 times. That's why we again go back to the same number 4. As we make 40, just you add 4. This will make 44. XL5, 45. XL6, 46. XL7, 47. XL8, 48. Again XL, how do you write 9? Yes, this is 49 and L is 50. Okay children, so in class 3 you will learn, you have already learned and you will learn the Roman numerals starting from 1 to 50. When you go to class 4 and above, we will be learning more Roman numerals. So your homework for today is, I'll be sending in the WhatsApp, okay? Your class teacher will forward this homework in your WhatsApp number. Alright children, I hope you have understood Roman numerals. If you have any problem, you can always ask me. You can always ask me in my WhatsApp number. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.